Finding your passion can be a life-changing experience. It can give you a sense of purpose and direction, and it can be deeply fulfilling to pursue something that you are truly passionate about. But how do you go about finding your passion? First, it's important to understand that finding your passion is a personal process, and there is no one-size-fits-all solution. That being said, there are a few things you can try to help you discover your passions. First, reflect on what you enjoy doing in your free time. What activities do you naturally gravitate towards, and why do you enjoy them? This can give you clues about your passions and interests. Second, think about what you are naturally good at. What skills or abilities do you have that come easily to you, and that you enjoy using? These strengths and talents may point towards your passions. Third, consider what causes or issues you are most interested in or feel strongly about. What would you be willing to work towards or advocate for, even if it's difficult or requires a lot of effort? Your passions may lie in areas where you feel a sense of mission or purpose. Fourth, experiment with different activities and hobbies. Don't be afraid to try something new, even if you're not sure if it will be your passion. You never know what you might enjoy until you give it a chance. Lastly, talk to people who are doing what you think you might be interested in. Ask them about their experiences, what they enjoy about their work, and any challenges they face. This can give you a sense of what it's really like to pursue a particular passion, and help you decide if it's something you want to pursue. It's important to remember that finding your passion is a process, and it may take some time and exploration. Don't be discouraged if you don't find your passion right away, or if you have multiple passions. It's okay to be unsure about what you want to do, and it's okay to change your mind. The important thing is to keep an open mind and keep exploring. It's also important to be realistic about what it takes to pursue your passions. It may require hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But if you are truly passionate about something, the effort will be worth it. So don't be afraid to follow your passions and see where they take you. You never know what amazing opportunities and experiences may come your way. Subscribe for more videos like this.